In Jandai Dul Paran, a school bus collided with a train at a railway crossing and was dragged along the track before coming to a stop. This situation stresses the need for heightened caution when transporting children near rail crossings. Bus drivers and operators must always ensure tracks are clear, heed warning systems, and wait until trains fully pass. Schools and transport services can also implement driver training focused on safe behavior near railway lines, including slowing down, scanning both directions, and maintaining full control. With proper attention and planning, such accidents can be avoided, safeguarding passengers and the public.
On the morning of the 22nd of September 2024, several individuals, including a mother and children, were observed near train tracks between Cikampek and Tanjung Grasa stations. A high-speed passenger train, Fajar Utama Yogya 142, was travelling along this route. Video footage showed the individuals standing and walking near the tracks, while bystanders attempted to warn them to stay clear. Unfortunately, they were in the path of the moving train when the incident occurred. Although the scenario involved multiple people and could have escalated quickly, it is important to focus on the lessons learned rather than the details of the accident. This incident reminds us how quickly routine moments near railway tracks can become hazardous, and why awareness is critical. Railway tracks are designed exclusively for trains, and trains cannot stop quickly. Even at lower speeds, the mass and momentum of a train make it impossible to avoid objects or people on the tracks immediately. This means that any attempt to cross tracks outside of designated areas, or to linger near them, carries inherent danger. Adults and children alike should treat all railway tracks as restricted zones, only crossing at official crossings equipped with signals, barriers, or gates. Children should never play near or on railway tracks. While it may seem harmless, tracks are unpredictable environments. Parents and guardians must educate children about the dangers of trains, emphasizing that trains are much faster and heavier than they may appear from a distance. Supervising children at all times and discouraging games or activities near tracks can prevent accidents. Two girls were riding a motorcycle and attempted to cross a railway track as a train was approaching. They misjudged the train's speed and distance, and the motorcycle made contact with the moving train. This incident emphasizes the importance of never crossing railway tracks when a train is nearby. Always use designated crossings, obey signals, and ensure the tracks are clear before proceeding. Staying alert and cautious around trains can prevent accidents and keep everyone safe. A woman reportedly stepped onto the railway tracks as a train was approaching. The train was unable to stop in time, and she came into contact with it. This incident serves as a reminder that railway tracks should never be accessed except at authorized crossings and only when it is completely safe to do so. Trains require long distances to stop, making it impossible for operators to avoid sudden obstacles. Staying behind safety barriers, following warning signals, and seeking help when feeling distressed or overwhelmed are essential steps in preventing dangerous situations. A motorcyclist attempted to cross the railway tracks at an unofficial crossing that had no warning lights or barriers. Despite the train sounding its horn and a pedestrian signaling the approaching train, the motorcyclist tried to cross in front of the train and made contact with it. This event highlights the importance of using official railway crossings and paying attention to warning signals. Trains cannot stop quickly, and crossing tracks without proper precautions can lead to serious consequences. Always use designated crossings, obey warning lights, and never attempt to cross when a train is approaching. Following these simple rules can prevent accidents and save lives. An elderly man was attempting to cross railway tracks while pushing his bicycle when a passenger train approached. The train was unable to stop immediately due to its speed and size. The man made contact with the train during the crossing. This incident emphasizes the importance of using official railway crossings and staying alert to approaching trains. Trains take a long distance to slow down or stop, so it is essential to wait for a clear path, follow crossing signals, and never attempt to cross tracks when a train is near. By staying cautious and using designated crossings, everyone can reduce the risk of accidents and ensure personal safety.